do higher number of qubits. Let's do it with 3 qubits. So suppose I have to prepare this cluster state. Okay, so I have 3 vertices or nodes and I have 2 edges. Let me name them as, this is as first, second and third qubit. Okay, first, second and third qubit. So my initial state is, certainly there are 3 qubits, so I take a plus 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 state. As we have already discussed, cluster states are taken from the plus states basically. Okay, now this is nothing but your 0 plus 1 by root 2, this plus, then this plus, so this is again 0 plus 1 by root 2, and then 0 plus 1 by root 2. So I have the 3 qubits in the places. In the second step, what we do is, we form the link between the first and the second qubit. Okay, and then a link between the second and the third qubit. So when we form the link between first and the second qubit, we operate a CZ gate from the first qubit to the second qubit and do nothing to the third qubit. Alright. So we operate a CZ gate from the first to the second qubit. But before that, let's write it in 3 qubit form. This is a separate state, separable state here. So if I write that, then it's going to be 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 1 1, right? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Alright, okay. Plus 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 1 1. Okay, and everywhere I have a root 2 root 2 root 2. So I have a 2 root 2, right? Yeah. This is divided by 2 root 2. Alright. Then this is my initial state. Now in the next step, what I do is I operate CZ from the first qubit to the second qubit and do nothing on the third qubit, right? So when this operates on psi I, what I get is a transformed state, obviously. So CZ from 1 to 2, so let's see which are the states where the first qubit is 1. These are the states where the first qubit is 1. Then we would act a Z gate on the second qubit where the first qubit is 1. So Z gate acts on 0 to give no change, and Z gate acts on 1 to give you a minus 1 basically. Z gates. Okay. And hence nothing happens here, but then this state gets a minus sign and this state also gets a minus sign. So my result becomes 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 1 0 1 plus 1, sorry, there's a minus now, 1 1 0 minus 1 1 1. Okay? Alright. And so these two are linked. Let's now link the second and third qubit. So I apply I do nothing to the first qubit now. So I operate an identity on the first qubit and then I operate a CZ gate from second to the third qubit. This is my third step. Alright. So this I apply on this state. Okay. Let's name this state as psi double I, let's say. Okay. So this one psi double A. Now see, let's see where and all the Z operator is going to act. Okay, so certainly the second qubit, where the second qubit is in state 1, there only the Z gate would operate on the third qubit. So the second qubit is 1 on this state, 1 in this state, this state, this state and this state. Okay, now out of this 4, only those states would pick a negative sign where the third qubit is 1. So this state, definitely not this state, so I erase it. This state is going to pick a negative sign and this state is also going to pick a negative sign. And since this is a 0, so nothing happens here. Okay, so I get nothing happens here, nothing happens here, nothing happens here. This is changed to the minus state, and then 1 0 0 plus 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0. This picks up a negative sign, so negative and negative become plus, and yeah. So this is the final state for this particular cluster state representation. And suppose we had this also, then we would have done another step connecting this 1 and 3. Okay, so I would have to do another step where I link the first and third qubit to obtain this cluster state. But here, this is the state that represents this particular cluster state. Okay, let's close here.